Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So last week I participated in a game jam. If you haven't checked the video yet, go check it out. This week I spent most of my time resolving my Windows issues. I reinstalled my Windows completely, so I have to download all the softwares. But now it is all fixed and we are back with our game. I decided to name the game Happy Ghost. After seeing the window build crashing, I decided to make an online backup for the game. So I made a public repo on GitHub and initialized the commit for the game. Now the game's source code is available on GitHub. I will put up the link in the description. Now it's midnight and I think I should get some rest. Tomorrow I will start up by making a boss for the game. So see you guys tomorrow. Welcome back everyone. Today I worked on making the boss for the game. I made the skeleton structure for the boss. After importing it into Unity, I combined all the body parts. So here it is. This is the look for our boss. Currently I am having difficulties with the animation of the boss because it has multiple bones and I have to make pivot points for each bone separately. But still, after making the pivot points correctly, the animation didn't work as I wish it would. As I was having difficulties with the pivot point, I decided to make it a rigid body, and this was the unexpected result. Then I tried to join the bones using hinge joints and I made a pendulum out of this. After configuring all the hinge joints, the boss was able to stand, not quite well, but using the hinge joint didn't solve my animation problem. So I went through some tutorials and figured out that I have to make a proper folder structure for the bones. And using the proper folder structure, I made this, and now I have all the joints in the respective folders. So now if I rotate any bones, the respective bones will move automatically, resulting in a proper rigged structure, and that solved my animation problem. Tomorrow I will try to animate the boss and make combat system. So see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a few days I haven't recorded anything because my college reopened in the online mode and I have classes from 9 o'clock to 4 in the evening, so I get less time to work on my projects. But anyways, in the past few days I worked on the animation for our boss. I made a walk animation from the walk cycles that I got the images from Google, and the animation that I made went pretty well. The next step was to make the movement for the boss. I tried to reuse the script that I made for the enemy in the last game that I made for the practice game jam. But that game was in 3D and this is in 2D, so things didn't go well. So I had to write the script again. But the script that I made has some issues like this. When the player comes back, it's flipped upside down. I don't know why this happened, but I will try to figure it out. And in the last few days I was also working on some digital art. My sister bought me a drawing tablet, so I have been trying it out. This was the first character I made. It is a character from a Doraemon movie and the character name is Pekko. The next character that I am working on is a character from a game called Valorant. It's been almost 3 days I've been working on it. Hope I would complete it the next week. And also, as the college reopened, I saw many of my friends working on machine learning and artificial intelligence. So I thought, why shouldn't I work on these fields also? And I found out that Unity has a cool package called ML Agents, which can help you in these fields. So next week I would try to figure out how the machine learning works. So stay tuned, sayonara.